My evenings usually start off with a walk that lasts for about 30 minutes. I feel like it gives me a lot of mental clarity, peace, and also body movement after a long day at the desk. And once I'm back home, I quickly take a shower. Now, shower after a workout is really, really important to me because it makes me feel fresh and also active. Then I make sure to hydrate myself and move on to a smoothie. Now, this is my usual smoothie which I make with Teami collagen. I add some frozen bananas, some frozen blueberries. Now, I love the flavor that this gives, and some Teami collagen. I'm going to leave the link to this product in the description box and also top it up with some milk. I'm going to blend all of these together to get like a very thick smoothie. Then I get my smoothie and watch some TV shows or movies that I want to catch up on. I'm currently watching Daydreamer on MX Player and it is LOVE love. Now it's time to light up some candles. I really love the vibe that candles give. So these two are my personal favorites. The first one is from IKEA. It's a vanilla candle, and the next one is from Bath and Body Works, which is sun drenched linen. Then I slowly move towards making my dinner. I usually boil some broccoli and also eat something that's rich in fiber. Today I'm going to be making masala oats, for which I'm going to be adding turmeric, chili powder, and the special Maggi masala. And I'm just gonna, add all the masalas and then just mix it in the water, let it boil a little, and then add in about 1/4 cup of oats. And then I let this mixture boil for about 4 to 5 minutes until it thickens up and looks something like this. So after that, I'm going to pour it into my bowl and top it off with some boiled broccoli. I love having food that is rich in fiber for dinner. So yeah, usually I either have oats with broccoli or some soups with vegetables. Post dinner is the time I usually sit down and see if I wanna pamper myself a little, especially with regards to skincare. And today I'm going to be using this Pond's facial kit, which has 6 different varieties of products, and it's a home facial kit, and I'm so excited to use these. The one I'm using is Charcoal Anti-Pollution Facial Kit. It contains a face wash, a face scrub, a gel cream, a skin cream, a face mask that's amazing, and also a massage cream. I'm going to be starting off with face wash. Now it's got a very gel-like texture. It has activated carbon, and this formula removes all the impurities and pollution particles. So I'm just going to lather and gently massage onto my face and then rinse it off. Pat my skin dry and move on to the next product, which is Pond's Pollution Off Scrub. It is enriched with walnut shell powder. It helps exfoliate dead skin cells and remove excess oil. So this scrub I found is really, really gentle and smells so good. So I'm just going to massage it gently in upward and outward circular movements for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Splash some water on my face, and I love the scrub. My face feels so relaxed and tight. Now I'm going to move on to the third product, which is their nourishing cream. Now this consists of vitamin B3 and vitamin E, which hydrates your skin. So I'm just gonna massage gently with fingertips till the entire cream gets absorbed. Honestly, I feel like my skin feels really smooth and soft. Now moving on to the next product, which is a massage cream, and I'm really pumped to use this. Now this is their Pond's Deep Massage Cream, which consists of glycerin, which moisturizes your skin to give you a healthy glow. So I'm just gonna use my knuckles to massage on my face and yeah, just relax myself a bit. Now that was really soothing. I'm going to move on to the next product, but if you feel that there's still some product on your face, you can wipe it off with moist cotton. The next one is a peel off mask. Now this is Pond's charcoal peel off mask, which is enriched with bamboo charcoal and helps remove blackheads and also brighten your skin. So I'm just going to apply a thin even layer all over my face and let it be for about 15 to 20 minutes and then peel it off. I'm gonna finish off this facial using their finishing cream, which is Pond's Pollution Protect Cream. It helps protect from pollution and restore glow. So I'm just gonna take some cream on my fingertips and apply it all over. My skin feels so soft and all pampered. So now it's time to move ahead and pamper my mind and soul. I love to read before sleeping. Now, the book that I'm reading is Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. It is an amazing book which helps you learn so many different things, which helps you think in a positive way. So, I read about 2 chapters of this and move on to journaling, which has been my life savior. Now, this is a journal that is from my brand N by Stab. I'm going to leave the link to this journal in the description box below. This is a perfect way to end your day, wherein you can write down your thoughts, things you're grateful for, messages, and a lot more. So I sit down and do at least one activity from the journal every single night, and it helps me calm my mind so much. Then I'm usually off to bed by around 10:30ish, and then I do some scrolling. I know it's a really bad habit, but I'm trying to slowly cut it down. So after I read my messages, make some notes for the day, I head to sleep. And that's about it. Good night.